Today, we begin the measles vaccination campaign here in Baidoa, which has received and continues to take in many thousands of families displaced by drought from other parts of the country. This campaign is urgent. Among vaccine-preventable diseases, none is more deadly than measles. We already know of at least 16 suspected cases in Baidoa, which means that the true numbers are surely much higher. We know that the measles can spread quickly in overcrowded displacement camps and IDP settlements, of which there are so many in Baidoa. And we know only too well from 2011 famine that measles, combined with malnutrition and displacement, is a lethal combination, especially for children. The only way to prevent sickness and disease from measles is to make sure all children receive vaccination.
may baan inkooyay wasaaradda caafimaadka iyo hay'adda UNICEF oo tilaal un baahanayni sida tilaa cudurka jadeecada tilaaljay on ninku fuliidi eedna dhibaataan ka qabni sida urur badan u nool jirnay ta dhibaatadaas nahayti iyo geek ninku fuliidi kama hadsin
The major challenges in the health sector is that our current medical facilities were not prepared to facilitate medical service in this huge population. There is significant increased number of IDPs coming every day, every other day, every week, every month. So every facility is overwhelmed and overpopulated. So our current medical staff and the facilities we have in place are not really prepared to tackle and to provide services. We need to build up the capacity and we need to increase the capacity of the medical facilities. If we could increase the capacity or even think about establishing another medical facilities, even if it is temporarily, or more outreach mobile teams to cover the health services needed.